Hi Steve, here. In this video I want to talk a bit more about products, and I want to take you through the main product entries that you'll need to data fill for each product. But first we just have a quick look at the products screen here. We're on products, and we're listing or showing a listing of all the products we've got in our store here. And you can see here there's the icon, the featured image icon, and this basically looks like the standard pages and posts menu. We can edit them, quick edit, trash them, view them, and a very useful one here is you can duplicate the entry, which is a good way of actually creating new products from existing products. It saves you a lot of typing. The stock here, this one's showing out of stock, and I'll show you how to change the stock settings. The price, categories, this one's got a single category. You can have subcategories, but categories tend to be one or two entries. Tags, very similar to categories, but you can have a lot more tags than you can have categories, and they're very useful for search engine optimization. In my book example here, I'd probably add the author in here into it, and a few other things there. This one here, featured products, and you can see this one here is actually featured, and I'll show you how to feature a product. How they're displayed depends on how you've set up your store and how the template is configured, or how the theme is configured. And this one here is the very different types of products. I've only got simple products, so there's nothing showing down this column here. Right, we can order them. We can show all dates. We can order them by category. Show product types, so we say we've got those simple products, and show subtypes, downloadables, virtual. So we can filter by all of those. Very useful if you've got a large store. Okay, let's go and edit a product. Then we're going to edit this one. Okay, we created this one earlier on, and we created a description, and we created a short description further on down, and I'll show you that when I get to it. And you can see here I can copy to a new draft, so I can actually create it. This is the duplicate feature, but in the way here under the catalog visibility is the featured product. So if you want to feature that product, you can tick that box here, and you can set the visibility in the, as it says here, define the loops this product should be visible in. It's still going to be accessible directly, so it's by default it's in the catalog and the search. Okay, so there's how you feature the product. So we're just going to OK that, so, and I'll show you that later on when we're finished. Now let's go down to the settings, product settings, and we start with the general settings, and you can see that this is a simple product, and we can have group products, external affiliate products, and we can have variable products. I'm going to stick to the simple product for the actual course, and later on, right at the end of the course, when we've gone through all the procedures, what you do, and covered all the shipping and etc., then we'll have a look at the different other types of product. And we can have virtual and downloadable products here. Okay, so here we can set the price. We can set a sale price here. So if I want to have this on sale in January, I can set it to be £5, and I can schedule it here. So this will set it from a particular date. So just cancel that, and I'll put that one, get rid of that. Tax status is taxable, or taxable for shipping, or none at all. And the tax class, reduced rate, 0 rate. Now obviously this is going to depend on your location and what taxes apply in your location. Right, inventory. I've enabled stock control here. As far as I remember, it's not enabled by default. If you've got lots of products, you may want to get the stock control or stock management plugin. It's a premium plugin, so you have to pay for, I think it's about $30. Let's say for a large store it's probably worth it, but we're just going to manage the stock from the products themselves. So stock quantity is set to 0, so let me give it some stock, and you can see I can show the stock status, out of stock or in stock, allow back orders, allow but don't notify customer, and allow. And sold individually, so this is stop people from bulk buying. And don't forget, when I've done all these settings, I need to update the product, otherwise I'm going to lose them all. Okay, shipping. No shipping. Let's say here the shipping classes are used by certain shipping methods, and we haven't set the shipping methods up yet, so I'm going to leave that one there. Link products, I can do upsells and cross sells. Upsell is basically I've got a product, this is a paperback book, Android tablet. If I've got a hardback, I might want to feature that as an upsell, so people can actually see that. Then they instead of buying the paperback, they buy the hardback, which is obviously more profit for me. And I can do cross sells, so they bought a book on Android tablets, they might want to buy a tablet itself, or they might want to buy a tablet cover and things like that. Now, to find your upsells and cross sells, you just do a search, and I'm just going to type in some keywords, HTML, and it will find products based on those keywords. There it is, it's found. There's only one there, there's only that book there, so you just select that book there and you can add another one. Now, attributes, we're not going to use that. And advanced, the only thing that we need to do there is, if you're going to have reviews, and most people will, then you need to enable it here. And variations, we're not going to do variations because we're not creating a product. That's a different product entry here, variable product. And say we'll do that when we've actually finished the course, and I'll take you through the other different products. Okay, so that's it now. So don't forget, when you've done the settings, you update it. And let me go and look at the products again. And you can see now that this one's become a featured. Now, how it shows, as I said before, depends on the theme you've got, and you can actually create pages, and you can create codes that you insert into the pages that show the featured products, and I will show you how to do that later on. Let me just go and look at a product here, and this is the Google AdWords book, and down here we can see the related products. If you remember the upsells and cross sells, the cross sells are the related products. Okay, so that's it. A quick overview of the products and product settings. Until next time, bye.